in the midst of every attack, but I have the enduring faith. I have the undying faith. I have the conquering faith. I will be a last man standing. No matter say, come on. The 1,000 will fall at my left hand. 10,000 will fall at my right hand. But I will stand. We'll face the same problems, but I will be found standing. Not because I've got my own power, but because I've got faith in me. That is the necessity of faith for a believer. Faith is your light. That will stand the test of time. In the midst of darkness, ukholwa kwakho kuyakhanyisa. Kwanti ukholwa kumnyama. Ukhala ngathi lesweni. Kumnyama. Hallelujah. Kwanti ukholwa kumnyama. Hallelujah. Ngeke ngabiza izolo. Uma ngomalo nombuze nozama ngizobashaya futhi ningangibuzi nje ngilele esibashaya. So izolo ngeke ngabiza ukufonela umama emsebenzini ukufonela umama kuthiwa kunohlanya lapha yana. Umakhelwane uthi kunohlanya sekuhlasela umakhelwane athi bamlimaza umakhelwane sekungenela esontweni. And umakhelwane umbonile umfundisi alisuka nje izolo vele ngizomfikela ngowana ngathanda zazoba ukuthi mahamba kodwa kusale fika uhlanga. So mama yafuna azozela uzobiza amaphoyisa ngihamba leleyo. Ngizobiza amaphoyisa azofika leyo. Amaphoyisa ahlala endaweni abavele. Uzovela vele ngewalanda futhi ngithi mina hey ake ngiqonde. So mangidlula ngifica umakhelwane amabili la. You know, bamile la ngabingelele ngihamba lo mthamo bengale mthamo. Ngifika ngibe lapha lolu mhlanga. Ngehle ngokuthi eqale cha kube khona ukuthi kuyehla. I'm not feeling that people, but that's who is the man. Yeah, I'm not sure that I'm not going to now. We pay little shop down. Send up a only blue, you are telling me to flower. Ninja, when's that? Put on a hey, got better. Yeah, what's up, my Nina, something, no harbor. Yeah, one person is about this, especially about that phone wash. I compared that woman and I said, Mama, it's cool and I'm still a woman. Loving her, and that's another. No one have a mama, buy a long phone.